Hey, what's up, Charles here, AllCoastLawncare pressure washing. Got a new lawn, all right, from our Google page. All right, apparently her lawn care guy just stopped showing up, so she gave us a call. We're gonna knock it out. Mowing, edging, and string trimming. All right, let's check that out, y'all. Make sure you mark your vehicle, okay? So, first lawn of the day. I gotta take all my stuff out and put them on the racks, but I'll do it as I go. All right, so let's do this. Hey, it's a little short video, okay? Nothing too crazy. All right, just a before shot and an after shot I'm gonna give you. All right. Here's the front. All right. And got a big enough gate for a 52-inch to the back. Just a little short video, y'all. I haven't been making videos. I've just been real busy, okay? But hey, let's get to work. I ain't gonna show you me doing it in action, but I'll show you the after video. All right, stand by. All right, just at the edging. All right, now I'm about to get on the 52-inch and mow it. Hey, Air Pro, y'all. All right, y'all, just got done. All right, so that's at the level deck's at 2 inches, okay? Hey, look, there's nothing wrong with bringing down 2 inches for the first cut, all right? Just keep in mind, you could bog up your mower, and then that'll leave to your spindles working hard and your belt working hard, all right? So a probability of having like a burnt belt, okay? And time a torn belt, you know what I'm saying? So there's the cut, y'all, in the front yard. Mowing, edging, string trimming. Check out the back. So the customer lives out in town. There's like a rental property. Well, they don't know if they're gonna rent it or sell it. They already got the last tenants already moved out, but they want me to continue servicing it until they decide if they're gonna sell it or rent it out. There's the backyard. Basic mowing, edging, and string trimming. All right, always be careful back here, y'all, with the AC units. That big old weed inside that power plant. All the way back over there, y'all, that's sprayed at for weeds. I use my string trimmer, but I stayed like about 3 to 6 inches from the ground, all right? Because if you flick debris, you could damage property or injure somebody. Anyway, y'all, hey, leave a comment, tell me what you think. If you want to know how much I charge, give me a call, 910-939-9020. I'll be happy to share with you the quote. I just don't put quotes on my videos no more because people tend to find me on YouTube that's in a local area, and they could like use those quotes against me. You know what I'm saying? That's how people are, y'all. All right, hey, 910-939-9020. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, God bless you. See you on the next video. Bye.